Hello traders, welcome to KinFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinla King. I am the lead instructor. Welcome to tonight's live section. Here we are going to analyze markets for the weeks. We are going to find the opportunities together in the markets. So we are going to check some pairs. So guys, if you are joining the live video now, I welcome you to the live session. So let's go to the market together and find opportunities to trade for the week. As you can see, these are the what we have on the watch list. We have up to 26 currency pair to analyze. So we are going to start one by one. I have actually started before, but we are going to run it together again. So we are going to start so far. That is, we are going to start the analysis together again. So the advantage of this live video is to give you ahead opportunity about the market for the week so that you can compare the analysis to what you already analyzed, if it is aligned with your own analysis, you understand, so that you will be able to actually get the accurate analysis in the market. So guys, we are going to go to the live session together. So guys, let's start. So I'm trying to wait for maybe we can see some people joining, but we are going to start now. I'm going to start the analysis now. So first of all, let's start with Euro JPY. Let's see how Euro JPY plays out last week, and let's see how it's going to play out this week. I picked out these price levels last week. I've teach you guys how to pick out the price level. Price level is a particular point where price has been tested several times. You can see like this price, this is weekly time frame. What we can see on weekly time frame is the market is actually buying, the market is in uptrend. You can actually confirm that with this trend line. So you can see the swing high. You can see the swing high, retracement to form a low high, then a new swing high. So at the end of this swing high, you can see a pattern forming. This is head and shoulder pattern. You understand? So as top-down analysis, so we need to look into smaller time frames to see an opportunities in the market after picking out the important level. You can see all the pick outs at the price level. Like here now, price has tested here 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a very strong price level and it has been picked. You can see that when the price come to this region again, the price fall back. You understand? So now guys, another price level is where these two horizontal line has peaked already. So if price can want to retrace, the price cannot, the retracement cannot pass this level. Like the retracements will end here. This is where the retracement is going to end, then before continue falling, because we have already see the pattern on higher time frame, which indicate that the market is actually going to sell if not going to pass the the trend line. We pick the trend line on 15-minute time frame. So any retracement on the 4 hours or 1 hour is going to be a strong trend because the trend was picked on the higher time frame. So let's see what is happening on 4 hour. We can see that on 4 hours time frame, the price retests the level we pick. So the price retests the level we pick. You can see here, though it doesn't seem to touch it very well, but it is very close here. So we can actually wait if we can see any other entry. When the market open, we don't know what has happened during the weekend. A lot of news, a lot of events will have affect the price during the weekend. So we have to patiently wait till the market open, then before deciding. So if we can get a retracement that enter this level, then we go to smaller time frame to find any reversal pattern here, then we go for sell. But as the market is now, we cannot actually conclude on what to do because the price has not come back to a price level I've been anticipating. You can see I'm anticipating this level, but the price didn't touch it the way I actually want. I want the price to enter here for boldness, though the price may continue selling because it tried to retest it. Not all the markets you're supposed to be trading. It depends on what you are looking for in the market. So the retracement actually got to 0.5 level of Fibonacci retracement. So it may continue the journey. But if I'm going to trade, I'll be waiting for the price to come to this my channel again, the price level here. So before thinking of what to do. So that is that, guys. So you can actually snap or screenshot the setup, then you know if you are going to sell, make sure the price come back to this level so that you'll be on a safer side. Then if you are going to actually buy, I won't advise buy yet on this currency pair, that is EUR/JPY. If you want to, if price come to this level, you understand, you must see any reversal pattern before you can think of buying. You understand? You can see, you need to see double top, double bottom, or inversely head and shoulder. So any other pattern you like using in the market. So you must patiently wait for something like that. To me, I'll be actually anticipating sell in this market. Then how do I get sell? If I can't get the price go back into this price level, then I should be waiting for something like this. So I should be waiting for the breakout, then the retracement, then I can find any pattern, then continue selling. That is what I will be anticipating for at this level. So market forex trade level to levels, you understand? So I always say that forex trade level to level. The general trend of this particular pairs is uptrend, but a retracement has begun on weekly time frame. It has formed a reversal pattern at the end of this swing high. You understand, which is indicates a beginning of a retracement. But you see the retracement that from year to year on weekly time frame is going to form a long trend on a 1 hour or 4 hours time frame. Trust me, it's going to form a longer trend. If you look at on the 4 hours time frame, you can see that there is a downtrend already. So that is how it happens on a smaller time frame. So we should wait for that. Forex is act of patience. The way you can find patience. Every traders, most of the traders know how to analyze markets, but our entry is what um, differentiates successful traders from ordinary traders. I don't think you understand what I said. The entry, every trader can analyze markets, but entry or the manners of approach, the way you approach the market for an entry, differentiates ordinary traders from successful traders. So if you guys have any markets you want us to analyze together, please state it under the comment section. Let's analyze the market together. You understand? So let's analyze the market together. If you have any markets you want us to analyze, so let's do that together. So guys, that is that on Euro JPY. So that is that on Euro JPY. So Euro JPY is, we are anticipating for sell. So we want to sell Euro JPY. So let's move to the next on our watch list. So after so let's go to Euro AUD, guys. So you can see I've already go through the Euro AUD before. So let me tell you what is going to happen. You know, I used to start my analysis from weekly time frame. So first of all, we need to pick out some price levels. Let me remove all this so that it can be more clearer. So a price level is at the level where price has been tested several times. So I can actually pick here and pick here. So let me use my fine. I'll pick out this level on a higher time frame. So you can see that price has been tested these levels. You can see here, you can see here, you can see here. So So for more clearer, let's go to daily time frame so we can also see some information, because higher time, like I always said, if you want to know deep about the market, the information comes first on smaller time frame. So the information comes first on smaller time frame. Before higher time frame we give you a particular information, it first happen on a smaller time frame. So I can see another price level on this daily time frame. This is a price level. Price has been tested here for a very long time. So you can see price test here first time, second time, third time, fourth time, here again. So which indicates that if anything is going to happen, though I can see there is a price level here too. Let's go to 4 hours to see that clearly, because I don't want anything to happen accidentally. So I need to look very well. Let me do that on daily. So I think it's more clearer on daily time frame. So this is the level I'm talking. You can see price has been also You can see price, it send price back here, it's come back again, send it back, it's come back again, send it back, it break it as it's come back, send it back. So it's a price level that you must not. If you also look at your left hand, you can see that it has been working as a very strong price level before. You can see here, so it's a level we must not neglect. We must not neglect that level. So let's go to 4 hours. So you can see the level is wet big now. So as it is, now, you can see there is a reversal pattern inside this channel. So which give us a clear view that this trend is going to be breaking. So you can see there's actually a trend here. So the trend has been break on 4 hour time frame. So if I'm going to trade this particular market, I'm going to go for sell. Assuming I saw these patterns early, I will have take advantage of this. I will have take the advantage of this head and shoulder pattern. So if you're actually going to think of anything, to me, I used to decide on a price level. So which means as already mixed here. So the only thing that can also make me enter this trade in this particular price level is only when the price can come back. If price can come back to this level and I see a strong rejection at this level, that is when I can decide of entering the trade in this level. But if I can't see any other thing like that, so I will patiently wait for price to come into this price level. Then I will see what I will do. So what I will do here is that I will be waiting for a breakout, then a retracement that I'll be waiting for. I'll be waiting for something like this. Sorry. So breakout, retrace, breakout, then a retracement with something like this, with a pattern, then continue selling. So that is what I will actually been looking for in this particular market, which is also that I'm selling this pair two. So I'm selling the Euro AUD. So the two pair we have analyzed, the analysis is for sell. We are actually selling. You may have your another pattern. You know, if you are trading breakouts and retest, you can see that it happens here. The trend has been breaking and it's retest with the pattern. So you may have your own entry here, but with me, so the entry I've lit already. So I have to wait for another opportunity. So I'm not in hurry. So you may have your own style of entry. You can actually use that here, but what I know is that this particular pair is going to sell. So if my condition doesn't meet, so I can risk it. So my condition has to be met. So guys, that is that on Euro AUD. So we have also anticipating for sell on Euro AUD. So guys, let's move to the next pair on our list. So for the sake of people joining the live video now, this is the second pair we are analyzing. So we have first moved from Euro JPY. We are also selling on Euro JPY. We are anticipating for so. So we want mark price to come back to this level before selling, or we get a breakout of this level. That is what we analyze on Euro JPY for the sake of people joining the live session now. So let's go to the third pair we need to check tonight. We are looking at Euro GBP. So as you all know, my style of analysis, top down, we go to higher time frame, weekly time frame to find some price level. So you can see this is the one. This is one price level pick. You can see price tested here, tested there, and also tested here. That is a price level, and also here is also another price level. So price has been tested here. Here is also another one. But let's go to smaller time frame. You can pick this uptrend, though the market is ranging on this weekly time frame. The market was in higher time frame on a daily time frame. So before this long consolidating, so we have to go to smaller time frame to let's see daily time frame first. So as it is now, guys, the price is on a price level, so which is still respecting a trend. So let's say smaller time frame, if this trend is going to actually continue or there's going to be breakout. So I'm yet to see any clear reversal pattern or any candle, but with what I can see here, I can see that the price is struggling at this level on a 1 hour time frame. So there is this support inside support. I used to make advantage of that too. If I can see a support level on a higher time frame, it's going to be an advantage. Sorry, I mean if I can get a support level on a uptrend market, so it's going to be an advantage for me. But if I'm waiting for pattern, I've not seen any clear pattern. There's another way to enter to trade this to confirm if the trend is going to continue is by finding a counter trend. I have dropped the strategy on my YouTube channel too, how to find a counter trend. This is a counter trend. You can see this is a downtrend. So if this trend, general trend is going to continue, the counter trend has to be broken. So the counter trend has to be broken. So that is another way. If you can't see the pattern here, that is another way to enter the trade. So it depends on who you are in the market. So guys, this is the third pair we are analyzing tonight. So let's check another trend, another market. So now we are going to Euro USD. You know, Euro USD is the most traded um, pairs in the market, most frequently traded pair. So let's go to weekly time frame to actually see, to pick out some price level. So we don't think we can see any price levels here. We don't want to go that far. So let's just pick, this is the initial high, and this is where the retracement begin. So this is where we are going to operate. So let's go to daily time frame. So let me see. I think I can see price level. This is the price level. Price has tested here several times. I think there is another one. So now let's go to 4 hours time frame. So all I can see here is sell. The market is going to sell. So I can also see another level here, but so this is another level. This is another level, but I can't consider it as a strong because it's just pushing price. Is a level on a 4 hours time frame, so you can't compare it to the level on a higher time frame. So the higher the the levels, support and resistance level is more stronger on higher time frame than the lower time frame. Any levels you find on higher time frame is a very strong level because it happened for a very long time. So this on 4 hours time frame is also can be considered as a major support or resistance level, but you, you can't compare it to the one on a weekly time frame or daily time frame. If you look deep into the market, you can see if you go to another smaller time frame, you will actually pick here for price level. You will actually pick here for price level because price has been tested here several times, and that is where the price is now. So if I want to sell, I may sell at that level if I see any reasonable patterns on 1 hour or 30 minutes time frame. You can see at this level we can see bearish engulfing, which give us a sell signal, so which tell us we can actually sell. So it depends on you. If you still have any other confirmation, you can wait for the confirmation, but if you don't have any other confirmation, you can, some people use that candle confirmation. You can see the bearish engulfing already, which tell us this particular pair is going to continue selling. So you can wait for the breakout of this counter trend. You can see there is a counter trend here. To be more confident on the signal, so you can just wait for the breakout of the counter trend. You understand? So guys, we are still waiting. All the market we are analyzing tonight is based on sell. So we are selling all the markets we have analyzed. This is the fourth one. So let's go to another pair. Let's look at USDCA shelf. Let's go to higher time frame, weekly time frame. You can see on higher time frame the market is what trend? There is no specific trend. The market is consolidating, but that is not actually why we are here. We are here to pick a levels, and I can see some levels here. So let's go to daily time frame. This is also a level. You can't neglect these two. So after picking out these levels on daily time frame, so I think what we need to do now is to go to 4 hours time frame. So we are on the 4 hours now. So it depends on you, the pattern you are looking for here, or any style of entry you um very good at. So but this is, I can't say if it is sell or buy. So guys, this will be the fourth pair we are checking tonight, and all the pairs they are in we are getting sell signal. So let's check another pair after the USD CHF. Let's check Euro CHF. So let's go to a weekly time frame to pick out some level. As you all know, the way we analyze markets. So I think I've already analyzed this market before, but let me delete all the. So we should pick out the importance, the price level first. So I can see here as a price level. So let's go to daily time frame. You can also see here as a price level. You can't neglect here too. So now the price is in one of the price level, but there is no any pattern yet. I think yes. So you can actually decide if the market is going to, but the general trend is downtrend, which means we should be anticipating for sell. So to be on a safer side, so we should be anticipating for sell too on a Euro CHF. So all the Euro pairs we have analyzed tonight is for sell. So let's look like one or two more pairs before we end this live session. So guys, if you have any market you want us to analyze together, just drop it under the comment section and then we look into it together. So on my watch list here, I have GBP USD. So one of the very most very volatile in the market. So an frequently traded pair. So let's go to weekly time frame to pick out our levels. We used to start there. So let me delete all this. So I can just pick here because this is daily time frame. The level that is important. Then I can pick here too. This is daily time frame. So then go to weekly. So what is happened here? So the price is in another price level on 4 hours time frame. So and there's a retracement already. So I should be looking for, let me go to 1 hour to see. I think we got an entry already. So if you check here, you can see a bearish engulfing. There's a bearish engulfing, which indicates a strong sell in the market. So guys, as this will be all for tonight's analysis. So we resume back tomorrow morning to continue finding the opportunities in the market. So I wish you happy trading, guys. Always trade responsible and make sure you take your risk management very important. So guys, always trade responsible. Good night.